Hi guys, hi YouTube. Today this is a very quick video on how to break pallets. One more time. Hello YouTube, hi guys. This is Dan with Creative Design. Today I'm just gonna show you fast how to break a pallet in 60 seconds. Let's get to it. Hi guys, what's up? Everything Hi guys, today's topic, What's up guys, this is Dan with Creative Design. Today's topic, I'm gonna show you what method I use to dismantle a pallet and what tools. Alright guys, it definitely took me 60 seconds to finish it, but it took me around 15 minutes more likely, with all the nails removed. But apart from probably two of them, this one and another one, I managed to save them, almost all of them. The tool that I'm actually attached to is this thing. Before I used to dismantle everything with the hammer, and it's quite difficult. This one does the job much faster. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, do all the things that you need to do. Thank you very much again.